Hey Elvis, buyers always say that they want a home that they can live in for a long time.
Yeah, but how long is long?
How long is long? From the time when they have a newborn baby, all the way until that kid graduates from high school.
That actually sounds like our newest listing at 251 Mingay Avenue. Daycare, right at your doorstep. They accept from as early as 3 months old.
Primary school, about a 3-minute walk to highly ranked Donald Cousens Public School.
Secondary school, about 10-minute walk to Bur Oak Secondary.
So, everything is walkable?
Everything we just mentioned, just walking distance.
Would you be interested in a home like this one?
We're breaking boundaries, breaking chains, tonight in the night. That's so bright, tonight in the night.
Wismer Park is just 1 minute away from the house. What I like here, it's close, but it's not directly facing the house or the school, so you get the convenience without any noise.
This park is fully equipped. Kids playground, splash pad, tennis courts, basketball, soccer field, even a small forest. So from toddler to teenager, this space actually grows with a family. About a 10-minute walk, you hit Markham Road. You will have banks, groceries, restaurants, Home Depot, everything. If you work downtown, Mountjoy Gold Station is about 4-minute drive. Park your car, take the train, done. That kind of commute is way easier and more comfortable than driving or taking PTC every day.
About this street, Mingay, it's actually a good example of balance. It's not a busy road, so it's quiet, but also it's not like some other streets that requires personal maintenance.
The city maintains it, including snow removal in the winter. And honestly, that's one of those small things you only appreciate after you live in it for a few years. Alright, let's take a look inside. You've got your entry closet on the left, family room on the right, very functional space. Then you move into the kitchen, which was just fully renovated. Cabinets, countertops, and sink are all new. And the seller already ordered a new stove, so that will be installed before closing.
And honestly, doing renovation yourself, it's time, effort, and cost.
This home has been owner-occupied for over 10 years and very well maintained. A lot of the major updates has already been done for you. From what you can see, like the paint and cabinetry, to what you don't usually see, like insulation and electrical. The work has been done gradually. This home isn't a quick flip. It has been lived in and improved over time. You've got a double-door fridge with ice maker and direct access to the backyard and garage. The backyard is fully hardscape, so very low maintenance. But you still have a bit of space in front of the garage if you want to grow some plants or flowers. This is something I personally really like, a separate laundry room. New buyers are also coming in before closing. You've got a sink here and a back door. So if you're doing anything outside, watering plants, cleaning, the flow just makes sense. And there's also a powder room on this level, so you don't have to go upstairs.
Upstairs, it's a very practical 3-bedroom layout.
2 secondary bedrooms on this side, sharing a bathroom. That's also been updated. There's also a small storage space outside, great for seasonal items. On the other side, you've got the primary bedroom. Good size, facing the backyard, it's very quiet. Walk-in closet right there when you enter, and a 4-piece ensuite with a separate bathtub and decent storage built into the wall.
The basement was renovated in 2015 with laminate flooring, easy to maintain.
You've got a large room here that can be used as an office, gym, or guest room. And the main space works well as a media room or a casual entertainment area.
When I look at this home, I don't really see it as just a property, more like a place that can carry a family through the entire stage of life. Your kids can walk to school, your parents can walk to the groceries, and your entire daily routine does not depend on a car.
Many homes offer space. Some offers upgrades. But only very few of them offers a simplified lifestyle. If you're looking for a home that fits for a whole family for the long term and is good for the kids and the parents, make sure the whole family enjoy the space without being tied to driving every day. This is it. 251 Mingay Avenue. If you like this home, feel free to contact me and my team for a private tour. If you enjoy our home tour videos, don't forget to subscribe and you won't miss anyone in the future. And remember, when it comes to real estate, Norman's got your back. See you next time.